Hey guys, we got a model unboxing to do here today. This is one of the models I was supposed to get for Christmas, but I bought myself for Christmas, but it didn't come in time, so let's get this open. Packaging is horrible. This is two models. Both wrapped in some bubble wrap. Okay, so the first one is the Liebherr R936 Latronic, made by NZG, and the second one is the Komatsu PC210 LC-10, I think it is. Yeah, -10, made by Universal Hobbies, 1/50th scale. I'll just get these open. See that? Okay. Okay. Oh, it's a twist tie. A second. Okay, so that's out of the box. Sorry about that. Let's see if I can. So there's a 210 made by Universal Hobbies. I think this is the first time this one's on YouTube, actually, or one of the first. It's really nice, actually, I must say. I'm not going to play around with it too much because these are really delicate, but the detail is awesome. So I will have a review of this model up for sure. So I'm just going to lay this one aside. Now to the 936. This is an excavator model I always wanted, honestly, but I just never got around to pulling the trigger on it and buying it. But really glad I did. Still rolling. Okay, cool. There's the 936. Also comes with some pins, some extra bucket pins and track links. And the 936 is really nice as well. it's a really nice size machine. I don't have many 30-ton size excavators, so 30 to 40 ton class. So this is nice. Yeah, we'll leave all the plastic, the rubber bands on the tracks for now. But yeah, really nice piece by NZG. So yeah, so that's the two models. There's another one in the mail. That should be here within the next few days as well. So, but I might just do a two-part. I won't. I think I'll just make two separate videos just because. So, I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing, and I will have a review of these two excavators up and within the next week or so. So, hope you enjoy the video, and comment, like, and subscribe. Have a good holidays, guys.